Here's the story of a gal named Gomez, who was the leader of an awesome team. She set clear and high expectations, great place to work her dream. Yes, this team, they were quite amazing, supporting others to become their best, leading, coaching, and inspiring. Engagement was their quest. They proudly work together with their clients to develop trust and partner for success. It was clear they belonged together, which is why they're now the Gomez Bunch. The Gomez Bunch. The Gomez Bunch. Great things happen here with the Gomez Bunch. Now the story has a new chapter. DTV entered the scene and joined the team. We've got broadband, global entertainment, effortless and breathing our dream. We are on this journey together. 2016, the year of partnership. We are transforming AEG's culture. What an exciting trip. As we look ahead, we see the future quite bright, and we're sure that it is much more than a hunch. We will partner and win together. We're amazing as a Gomez Bunch. The Gomez Bunch. The Gomez Bunch. Great things happen here with the Gomez Bunch.
Great things happen here.